Okay, you are welcome to my channel, and also today I will be taking a comprehensive lesson on integration by partial fraction. So an integration by partial fraction, we have this question given to us: integral of x plus 1 divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2 dx. So we are asked to integrate this one. Let's do this together. So to do this one, this solution will have this to be integral of x plus 1 all over x squared minus 3x plus 2 dx. So we'll take this quadratic function, which will now find its factors, which will be integral of x plus 1 all over. This can be expressed as as in terms of its factors as x minus 1 in bracket another bracket x plus 2, sorry, x minus 2 dx. So since we are dealing with partial fraction, let me take this one for instance. This is supposed to be without the integral, it will be x plus 1 all over x minus 1 in bracket another bracket x minus 2, which is now going to be equals to a all over, we are bringing this a as an arbitrary constant, all over x minus 1, then this will be plus b all over x minus 2. So we need to find the unknown a and b. To do this one, this is equivalent to the LCM, you know already, that is this one. So this one will be the same thing, that is this time this is x minus 1 in bracket another bracket x minus 2. So by implication, this time this will give us a open bracket x minus 2, and then this time this will give us plus b open bracket x minus 1 plus the bracket. So having done this one, we can now see this is the numerator, this is also the numerator, this is the denominator, and these are the same. So since they are the same, we'll pick this and equate it to this, which will be the same thing as x plus 1 equals to this time this will give us ax minus 2a. Then the next one is this time this, which will be plus b minus b, sorry, there is x here. So you can now relate the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x here is 1, so this will be 1 equals the coefficient of x here is a, the coefficient of x here is plus b, which will tag this as equation 1. Then the next one is the constant, which is 1, is equals to, we have minus 2a minus b, equation 2. So with this one, we have two equations that we can solve simultaneously in order to find the unknown a and b. So to do this one, we can say equation 1 plus equation 2. So when you add here, you can see when you add this plus this will give us 2. This plus this will give us minus a. Let me shift this so that we'll have enough space. So now the next thing that we'll do here also is that this plus this is 0. So sorry, this is supposed to be equal to minus a. Therefore our a is equals to minus 2. So if a is equals to minus 2, we can choose equation 1 to find the next one. So from equation 1, let me use this place here. From equation 1, we have that 1 is equals to a plus b, so that this will give us 1 equals to minus 2 plus b. So bringing this to the other side, b now will give us the same thing as 1 plus 2, which is equals to 3. So you take this information that you get for this and this, then we'll replace it in this place. So since integral of x plus 1 all over x squared minus 3x plus 2 is the same thing as integral of open bracket, yes, let me put it that way first, a over x minus 1 plus b all over x, just a moment, x minus 2, close the bracket, dx. So we can now replace the value of this and the value of this, which will now give us the same thing as integral of, we'll separate them. A gave us minus 2 all over x minus 1, and then plus integral of b gave us 3 all over x minus 2, then dx, all of this one dx. So this will give us the same thing as, just a moment, okay, so let me shift this one. So this one now will be minus 2 integral of 1 all over x minus 1 dx plus 3 integral of 1 all over x minus 2 dx. So this one, to integrate this one, recall that integral of 1 all over x is the same thing as ln x. So by implication, this will be minus 2 ln open bracket x minus 1 close bracket, and then plus 3 ln, this will give us x minus 2, sorry please, this is supposed to be 3 ln open bracket x minus 2 close the bracket. Then always make sure that you add the integrating constant, and that is how we come to the end of this. So this is the solution of this function that is given to us. Please, if you are coming for the first time, make sure you like, share and subscribe. I love you guys.